Hey guys, I'm Tom the Tech Chap, and after months of lockdown, I've finally been let out of the house, and I'm in London with Samsung having a play with their brand new Galaxy Books. Now, according to Samsung's marketing, these are not laptops. Oh no, these are Galaxy Books. There's a big difference, apparently. It kind of reminds me of Apple's silly "what's a computer" commercials for the iPad. Of course these are laptops, but the idea is they're designed to be portable and always connected. With the latest Wi-Fi 6E and also LTE support, plus they work seamlessly with other Samsung devices. So here they are, the three new laptops. On the left, we have the standard Galaxy Book, in the middle we have the Pro, and then on the right we have the Pro 360, which as you can probably guess is a 2-in-1, and actually it is the only laptop with a touchscreen and support for the S Pen. But of the three, it's the Pro that I've really got my eye on. This is the 15-inch version, but there's also going to be a 13, and it's kind of like the MacBook Air/Pro meets the LG Gram. The first thing you'll notice is just how thin and light this is, and it's all thanks to the aluminium magnesium body. And even on the bigger 15-inch model I have here, we're talking about just 11.7mm thick, and it weighs just 1.05 kilograms or 2.3 pounds. Even next to the standard Galaxy Book, the Pro is a good deal sleeker, and the first time you pick it up, it genuinely feels like they've forgotten to put the battery in or something. Yet somehow, they've still managed to squeeze in full-size USB 3.2s and an HDMI, along with Thunderbolt 4 and microSD ports. So it's just another thin and light laptop with a fancy design, right? Well, yes, but the standout really is the AMOLED screen. And side by side with the standard Galaxy Book with its regular LED LCD screen, you could really see the difference. Not only are we getting these flush glass bezels rather than the slightly protruding plastic ones, but the 1,000,000:1 contrast and the much wider viewing angles makes the screen really pop. We also get display HDR 500, so you'll get at least 500 nits of brightness from this, and it covers 120% of the P3 color gamut. And actually what you can do is switch between sRGB, Adobe RGB, and P3 modes, which is useful if you're doing color sensitive work. Now on the inside, we have the latest Intel 11th gen processors, either the i5 or i7, which of course comes with their Iris Xe integrated graphics. So it's a pretty standard affair for a 2021 thin and light laptop. There's no special Xe Max or, say, NVIDIA MX450 chip here for any extra graphical grunt. But these are really all about being as mobile as possible. And to that end, as I say, we also get Wi-Fi 6E and LTE, although sadly it's not 5G, unlike their own Galaxy Flex 2. Now sadly, I wasn't able to run any proper tests or benchmarks, as this was just a sort of pre-launch hands-on event, although make sure you stay tuned for my full review for all that good stuff. But as the Pro meets Intel's Evo spec, we can expect at least 9 hours of battery and solid performance. These will also come with a pocket-sized 65-watt charger that tops up over USB-C, so you can also charge your other tech with it, although I've been told a full charge of the Galaxy Book Pro takes 2 hours, so it's not especially quick. We're also now getting a much bigger precision touchpad, and also what Samsung are calling a comfort-first keyboard, which sounds lovely. And basically the key spacing is a little bit wider, we get a scissor mechanism which makes it feel quite nice and responsive, and they've also built a fingerprint reader into the power button. Plus, as you can see, the bigger 15-inch Galaxy Book Pro gets this full numpad, which the 13 doesn't. Now, as you would expect, Samsung are keen to push just how seamlessly these Galaxy Books work with the rest of the Galaxy family. So you can actually use the Tab S7 or the S7 Plus as a second screen, whether it's extended or duplicated. Pairing their Galaxy Buds is as easy as just opening the lid, and while it's not yet activated, when these launch, we'll also have Quick Share, so you can send files and photos to and from your Samsung phone instantly. So far so good then, but of course it's all going to come down to the pricing. And actually, it's pretty reasonable. The standard Galaxy Book, with its heftier and slightly less premium design, along with that regular LCD screen, starts from a not too eye-watering £699. The Galaxy Book Pro does jump up quite a bit though, starting at £1,099 for the 13-inch and £1,199 for the 15, with the Pro 360 costing an extra £100, starting at £1,199 here in the UK. So that puts the Galaxy Book Pro right in between the MacBook Air and the Pro. So is this actually a good alternative? Or if we're going with the more annoying YouTube clickbaity title, are these Galaxy Books a proper MacBook killer? Well, I don't yet have one with me in the studio to do a side-by-side, but going off the specs and the price, while these don't have Apple's very impressive M1 chip, which is genuinely revolutionary stuff, the Galaxy Book Pro is thinner and lighter, plus we're getting an AMOLED screen, LTE, Thunderbolt 4, Wi-Fi 6E, so until we see a refreshed MacBook Pro 14, perhaps, with maybe a mini LED screen, in many ways the Galaxy Book Pro is a better laptop. So all three new Galaxy Books launch on May the 14th, and first impressions are really positive. The Pro is definitely the standout for me though, but I will hold off on my final verdict for when I get them in for review and test them out properly. But which one of the three would you go for? And also if you have any questions at all, let me know in the comments below. I always read every single one and I'll do my best to answer. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. It's always very much appreciated. And I'll see you guys next time right here on the Tech Chat. Cheers for watching.